shot of both cars. Wish the front end was still on this one though, but soon. Soon. So I almost made it the whole day without doing anything. That's not a good habit to get into. So if you guys remember, which it was only yesterday, we put fresh brake on this side. So we're going to do the same. We're going to put a fresh brake on this side as well. This one's all rusted out and gross. So we're going to get to it. Get this side done. We'll have that side done, this side done. We'll do the back another time, but got to get something done a day for the Audi. I was telling my dad I was like super surprised with how difficult all of the motor work and all of that stuff has been. I thought it was going to be a nightmare getting all those bolts out. They came right out. Super easy job to do the brakes on the Audi S4. So we'll just knock it out really quick. You guys saw enough of it yesterday. So we'll just knock it out. First things first though, I gotta change out of my nice clothes. Gotta get this stuff off and get some clothes that I don't mind getting dirty on first. So probably the same outfit as yesterday because I don't feel like doing too much laundry. So yeah. Alright, so we're all changed. Got the Santa Fe. This was my little tester shirt. Experimented with screen printing, and I freaking still have the screen printer. I haven't touched it since, but made my little test shirt. I made one nice shirt. I don't know where I put it. Maybe when we get the brand, the channel big enough, we'll release some merch for you guys, but got the slides on still. If I smash my feet and die, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this other side done real quick, and we'll catch up with you after. Jetta, freaking, those headlights are so good. So much better than even the other LED lights. Amazing. Definitely would recommend you guys go pick up some Amazon LED bulbs. Alright, and just like we are done. So, we've got both fronts done. Brand new Brembo brake kits. Sheesh, looks good. So we still have to do the rear, but I realized that the rear has the electronic parking brake. Electronic parking brake is on. I had to disconnect the battery because I unplugged a bunch of sensors in the front. So we'll be waiting to do the rear until I go ahead and actually get the car up and running. So yeah, we'll just have to finish everything in the front end and then we'll do the rear brakes. Dang, they look good. They look good. So, yeah. Anyway, so we'll just get front end all done. Then we'll move on to the rear and get the battery all plugged in and all that stuff. Disengage the parking brakes, and then we'll be able to do the rear as well. So, yeah. Pretty simple day. That took probably half hour, maybe 40 minutes. Very simple job. You guys can easily do that at home. So, yeah.